Okay, now let's review how to do distribution. So here, whenever you have a factor, so a factor is just any number that's next to a set of parentheses. So whenever you have a factor, you're going to multiply it to each individual member of the set that's inside this parentheses. So in other words, this 2, you're going to multiply it with this 2x, and you're going to multiply it with this negative 1. So here we can rewrite this original expression as 4x plus 2 times 2x. 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. And then we have 2 times a negative 1. So here we're going to have negative 2. And now, after we've completed the distribution, this problem is exactly like the ones that we practiced before. We're going to combine like terms. So here we got to combine the variables first, or I'm going to combine the variables first. So we have 4x plus 4x, we get a total of 8x. And then we have that constant lingering there. So our final simplification would be 8x minus 2. Let's try a couple more. So here, now we have a negative 3 here next to this set of parentheses. So this negative 3 is going to multiply to that 5x, and this negative 3 is going to multiply to that negative 4. Again, keeping in the back of our minds that the sign that's to the left of the number, that sign goes with the number. So this is a negative 3, not a positive 3. So here, let's rewrite this original expression. So we have 7, and then negative 3 times 5x is going to give us negative 15x. And now we have negative 3 times negative 4. Negative times negative gives us a positive. And then 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, perfect. So now we can combine like terms. So we take a look and we see that we can combine the 7 with this positive 12. So 7 plus 12, that's going to give us 19. And then we have that negative 15x right there. And this is as far as we could go because 19 and negative 15x are not like terms. We can't combine them any further. That would be the simplification. Okay, let's look at one final problem. Negative 3x minus 8x plus 7. So here the factor is not too clear because it's kind of not stated here, but we have a negative 1 here. We have to distribute this negative. So that negative is going to multiply to this 8x, and it's going to multiply to that positive 7. So we can rewrite this expression as negative 3x minus 8x, and then negative times a positive is a negative, and then we get negative 7 here. Now to combine like terms, we're going to combine the variables together. So negative 3x minus 8x, that's going to give us a total of negative 11x minus 7. And again, this is as far as we can go because these are not common terms. So try these problems out, practice them, and if you have any questions, again, just feel free to message me.